Famous Turkish actors then vs now, 2026. Burak Özçivit, then, now, superstar, age, 41. Can Yaman, then, now, bold heartthrob, age, 35. Kevin Tatlıtuğ, then, now, iconic actor, age, 42. Kerem Bürsin, then, now, global star, age, 38. Kagete Ulusoy, then, babyface, now, intense hero, age, 35. Engin Akurak, then, simple look, now, powerful actor, age, 43. Burak Deniz, then, now, stylish star, age, 33. Alp Navruz, then, now, leading star, age, 35. Serkan Keolu, then, model boy, now, mature actor, age, 37. Ibrahim Selikol, then, rugged look, now, charismatic star, age, 43. Onur Tuna, then, young actor, now, versatile star, age, 39. Tolga Sarıtaş, then, teen look, now, action hero, age, 34. Furkan Andik, then, soft look, now, romantic lead, age, 35. Uraz Kegileroglu, then, chubby boy, now, stylish star, age, 37. Barry Zardak, then, simple guy, now, top actor, age, 38. Ares Bulat Yenemli, then, innocent face, now, intense performer. Age, 35. Halit Ergenç, then, classic look, now, legendary star, age, 55. Mehmet Günsur, then, young charm, now, elegant actor, age, 49. Kenan İmirzalıoğlu, then, model king, now, mature icon, age, 50. Engin Altan Düzeytin, then, rising actor, now, historical hero, age, 45. Part 2 chahiye? Comment, Part 2, and also write your fave actor name, which you want in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos.